Hi! Now, we're in mid-March, but I am here today to discuss and yap about the books I read last February and to show you this. Tcharam! Bouquet of flower. I received this from my partner. Yes, I got it from my boyfriend. He usually gives me flowers like sa isang buwan, twice a month. And kahapon, sinurprise niya ako dito. Yay! Favorite color ko, yung ganito kasi light color. Pink or yung ganyan. Basta light color kasi pag natutuyo siya, ang aesthetic niya tingnan. Anyway, back to books. Last month, I just read 2 books, which is unusual kasi in a month, nakakabasa ko usually ng 4 books, like 1 each week. Pero, yun nga, it was a slow month last February. And, hindi rin ako ganun ka natuwa or hindi rin ganun kataas yung reviews or ratings ko for the 2 books I read the previous month. So, okay. The first book I read is a part of a series. Dapat, as far as I know, dapat trilogy siya. Pero, ngayon, after ng 3rd book, there are 2 more books na sumunod, which I don't have a copy yet. And I don't have any immediate plans to read them. Kasi, yung 3rd book, okay, I will show you na without anything pa to say. Para lang. Eto. Queen of Nothing by Halle Black. I give this a 3.75 star rating. I like this. It's not so much, but it's okay. For me, it's okay. It wraps up the trilogy for me. It closes the open fronts or yung mga nangyari nung the past 2 books. And hindi ko lang siya masyadong nabitaan. Hindi gustuhan. Kasi in book 1, I really like Jude. I adored her cunning ways and how she plans against Madoc and how she deals with Cardan. For me, that part of her, yung talagang nagustuhan ko sa libro, sa series na to. And unfortunately for me, in this book, hindi siya masyadong, she was largely overshadowed by the tricks and games played against her na hindi ko nakita yung side na yon dito sa book na to. I won't say anything much about this book. If you're planning to read the series, then the first 2 books will be spoiled. Pero kung nabasa mo yung first books, alam mo na yung paano to nag-start. And alam na din natin na dito kasi more on, di ba yung series kasi more on politics siya. Politics yung sa mundo na yon. And dito, medyo mas pinakamabigat yung romance for me in this installment. And, ayun, I didn't like the first 2 books because of romance. I liked it because of Jude. And, hindi siya masyadong highlighted dito. So, I gave it 4.75 stars. But, it's still good naman. This book, I read this for 10 days. The next book I'm going to show you, I have it with me for 3 weeks. It put me in a slump. Mini slump lang naman. Pero, ayun, isa to sa mga dahilan bukod sa maikli lang ang February kung bakit konti lang ang nabasa kong libro nung nakaraang buwan. And it's Happy Hour by Marlo Granados. This is about 2 best friends, Isa and Gayla. They moved to New York City. And doon na umiikot yung buhay nila. Si Isa, I wanted to like this kasi Isa is a Filipina. Half Pinay siya. Kaya, gusto ko talaga siyang gustuhin. Pero in fairness naman, gusto ko yung first quarter niya. Very interesting. Isa, as a writer, is very descriptive and it's a skill na hinihiling ko na sana meron din ako. It is written in journal style, diary style, and hindi na lang, medyo naging negative na lang ako sa libro nung dito na halfway through kasi nababanas na ako kay Gayla. I think she's immature and she doesn't take responsibility or accountability sa actions niya. And I don't like how Isa forgives her easily. Pero pala, when I was writing my review, I realized how biased I am. Kasi, this is written in a, like I said, written in a journal or diary style. And perspective ni Isa yung nakikita ko lang. And yeah, so for me, it's unfair. While I was writing my review, I thought it's unfair how I'm judging Gayla and gaano ako nainis sa kanya. But it doesn't change na fact na sobrang nabad trip talaga ako kay Gayla. So, yun lang. But, maraming relatable quotes dito. Pero, yun nga, hindi ko talaga, yung writing style din kasi nung kalagitnaan, hindi ko na siya feel, medyo, for me, I just want something to happen. And hindi na siya, it's not fulfilling na may interest. So, yun lang. I gave this a 3.5 star rating. Still good. It's just not for me, hindi ko na lang time na basahin siya. Hindi siya for me at this point of my life. So, yun lang. Ito siya. Happy Hour by Marlo Hernandez. I read 2 more books after this. Now, I am reading Funny You Should Ask by Susman. I forgot her first name, but yeah, I'm reading that, and it's a light read kasi the 2 books I read after these 2 medyo heavy or dark, on the darker side. So, and gusto ko na something light naman. So, yun lang. And I have to get to work. Actually now, kasi 9 a.m. yung time ko, and I think it's 8:45. Yeah, 8:42 a.m. Okay, I'll see you next video. Bye!